Stake CCFi Token with WaterTiger and earn CCFi Token rewards. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to install Nabox wallet on your mobile device. Go to Google Play or Apple Store and download the Nabox wallet. After downloading the Nabox app, open the app and change the language to English and select USD as the currency. Create a new account via Create or Import Account. To do this, go to Create an Account and enter the required data. Account name. Password. Repeat password. Please keep your password safe and note that you will not be able to recover it if you lose it. Tick the box Agree with service and privacy policies and press Next. In Manage Network, Ethereum, BSC, NULS, and NULS, NERV are already specified as blockchain by default. Other blockchains can be selected here. When you are done, click on Create Account. Under Backup Account, we selected Backup Mnemonic Phrase in our example. Now write down your mnemonic phrase from left to right, line by line. For your safety, disconnect from the internet while you make a backup. Please write down your mnemonic phrase on paper and keep it safe. Anyone who has access to your mnemonic phrase has access to your assets. Click on Next. For security, you must now enter your mnemonic phrase in the correct order and press Confirm. If the app does not respond, close the app and start it again. This time you will see the account. How to import your MetaMask account in Nabox wallet. In order to import the CCFi token account from your MetaMask wallet to your Nabox wallet, you go to the button, Me, in your Nabox in the menu at the bottom right, and then on Manage Accounts. When you click on plus in the upper right corner, you can add an account. Create Account or Import Account is now displayed. Go to Import Account. In our example, you carry out your import via Import Private Key. Now insert your private key and enter your password and give the new account a name. You can find the private key of your MetaMask wallet under the menu Settings. Then Security and Private Key. And Show Private Key. In Manage Network, you will see Preset Networks. Here you go to Import Account. Now your wallet is displayed on the ETH blockchain. To change the blockchain, click on the ETH blockchain logo, top left corner and select BSC blockchain. Now you are on the Binance Smart Chain, and in order to see your CCFi tokens, they need to be imported. To do this, you click on the plus next to Assets. Enter CCFi in the search bar and press the plus. Go back with the arrow on top left, and your CCFi tokens are displayed.
In order to stake your CCFi tokens on WaterTiger, your CCFi tokens need to be transferred to the NULS blockchain. For this transaction, you need BNB in your Nabox wallet for the transaction fee.
First, go to the top left and click on the BSC logo. And on the network, you find your NULS wallet address. Write it down, so you can check it later during the bridge transfer. Now go on Discover in the bottom menu of your Nabox. Enter bridge.nerv.network in the search function. Now confirm that you will be redirected to a third-party dApp. The NERV bridge is displayed. Now select Nabox Wallet. Press Import Addresses. Now enter your password from your account. Your BSC account will be displayed. Select NULS blockchain for transfer. Check the NULS blockchain address for security reasons. Select your asset CCFi token and the number of tokens you want to transfer. Confirm with Approve. You will be shown the transaction details, which you confirm with your password. With the arrow, top left, you leave the page and go to Wallet in the bottom menu. The transfer may take a few minutes. Go to the BSC logo at the top left to change to the NULS blockchain. Now you have to import the CCFi token to the NULS blockchain. Here you need to proceed as previously described, by using the plus next to Assets. Make sure that you select the CCFi BSC, as two different ones are displayed. After refreshing the page, you can now see the asset in Unul's wallet. Stake CCFi token with WaterTiger and receive CCFi token rewards. To start staking with WaterTiger, you need the Nabox wallet. Your CCFi tokens are located on the Nulls blockchain. For staking your CCFi tokens with WaterTiger.finance, you will need Nulls for the transaction fees. In the Nabox wallet, go to the Discover at the bottom. In the search bar, type WaterTiger.finance to get to WaterTiger's dApp. Confirm that you will be redirected to a third-party dApp, WaterTiger.finance. In the dApp WaterTiger.finance, search for the CCFi logo under PompStake and click on it. Now you will see the Stake button and your CCFi tokens from your Nabox wallet. Now enter your chosen amount manually into the field Stake CCFi and click Stake. Enter your password from Nabox for confirmation. Under the menu Claim and Unstake, you will see your staked CCFi tokens and your rewards. The staking fee is 0.5%. Rewards can be transferred to your Nabox wallet at any time using the Claim and Unstake button. They will be unlocked 9 days after your claim.